make the Lauki or Bottle Gourd or Dudhi Halwa, we will need 2 medium-sized bottle gourds. Our second step is to peel the bottle gourds and grate them using a grater. Once done, transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside for now. Let us roast the cashews now. Take a pan and add 2 teaspoons ghee and drop in the cashews. Saute until the cashews change color or turn brown. As y'all can see, it's done now. Now let me take the cashews off the pan and keep it aside. Now to the same pan, we will add 1 teaspoon of ghee. And we'll add the grated Lauki or bottle gourd. Do not keep the grated Lauki out for a long time as its color might change. So it'll be better if you grate it before frying. Cook the Lauki for a few minutes or until the raw smell is gone. Mix well and cook it on a medium flame. Make sure you fry until the moisture in it dries up completely. Now I'm adding half cup of medium fat fresh cream. Fresh cream gives an amazing texture to our halwa. Followed by 100 ml of condensed milk. I've used Milkmaid, you can use any other brand. Adding 2 medium cups of full fat milk. Milk should be boiled before and can be used at room temperature or chilled. Keep stirring everything on a high flame for about 5 minutes. We will now cover the pan with the lid and cook for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, our mixture will look something like this. Now I'm making sure that there is no moisture in our halwa, so cooking on a high flame for another 5 minutes for the moisture to evaporate. Here comes the right time to add sugar. Adding 1.5 cups of sugar. I've used a medium-sized bowl for the measurement. The sugar is close to 200 grams. For a better taste, you can also add more sugar as per the requirement. Mix it really well and cook it for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. Wow! As you all can see, Lauki ka halwa is ready. There is no moisture seen. Looks perfect and smells amazing. To bring a sweeter side of the taste, we will add 2 teaspoons of ghee on top. Mix well and we will add the roasted cashews now. You can also add almonds, raisins and pistachios. I'm saving few cashews for garnishing. Give it a quick mix and our halwa is all set to be served. Let's transfer the halwa to a serving bowl and garnish with sliced almonds, pistachios and cashews. Looks perfect, smells amazing and a delightful treat for the eyes. Make this tasty Indian dessert and impress everyone. If you like this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Eatsowhat for more such yummy recipes. Keep watching Eatsowhat and bring joy to your belly. Thank you for watching.